12th General Conference CUM 54 Annual Assembly Li Razangkai Evening Service Nutum Saikor Li Chingri Hai Rano. Ara tam na ta kaya t-shirt the program him mapung pamay dat at bapai make vai in a program hik shuka highlight samike. Evening session 6 p.m. Moderator hik jangkada Kayhao Parish Women's General Secretary Li Sangay Sanay ka Amara Kapay Vivang Rebecca Hungyo Tarong in a pamidlay. Recorder he Mrs. Hannah Tit Hungbung. Choir seat he Sacred Heart Church Humbum na pamidalay jangkada St. Joseph Church Rizai Kulen na pamgitne Kashimara Krar Vivangay na Sacred Heart Humbum Bashi na pamidlay. Opening hymn Sada, theme song Sarah. Opening prayer he Chairperson St. Augustine Church Lungher. Introduction and presentation he TCSL. Special number Women's Society Holy Family Church Mawai. Speaker Reverend Sister Holy Rose MK. Our topic now Women in the Bible and Now. Vote of thanks, announcement, closing hymn, theme song, closing prayer he Chairperson Christ the King Church Chinjaroy Kulen. Aray tum the program he hopok kawai choirs bashina theme song je hopok miodong.
Cyclone cross them Ava Nameragla Murater Mili, Amen. Migmoy to me milli Atam Gajida, Kanzana Lila Prohov, Rati comes Harry La Prohoma Lakla, young meeting, Tan meeting Juvan Prohanalini, she, Aju Moreka Pombo, ki kama sa khwai vu ina prohibra sim sala kaina rong har wi ina prohibra church member khanik tu mang le sa la prohibra nana ksoga da prohibra nana jishot khami gala than me bing li prohibra nana program hi nana sanghang sak ne ji kha prohibra nana than mi lo nan yang mi lo prohibra I ma tu bai shine hangwi bai shine prohmang khamula kho je na I ngajila kaina achu purbi thila khakning li proh nana so mi lo nana than mi ra achu wi than me bing prohibra long her we women akasa dang ning da klei li prohibra tangkur kelli chinarong gla prohibra or tangkur chinarong we gathana gla prohibra chairperson gla prohibra na than ka we yaw gla executive psycho runa o tun tun chun chun ran ba sa la pro ong sung sak la achu prohibra hi gatha apam hili prohibra la khaksep chi tam ga chi da phongbo bin wang ro thum na tun chun chun yong shung yong da sa la go sa kha chi sai ko ru ji wang saman kha ga saman na chang mi lak lo da athum sai ko ru wang re pro ha bo mi de le ga la lang me da pro ha ba ri bra na bing la serving gala bra bra kam ni song sir da gla thum chai ko re no I thang me chang mi da no I khak shot gala no I rongoi na bti ga ga pro bra speaker lang sang sak min na so mi lo ajui program ni song sir da gla hi wang aming avin ma pan sa la no I lu kham shan jina ta shung mi sir da la sak e na gla se ha sak e na ra ji ka sir da gla ya pro bra chai ko ri jing ni khai ngang yang sang sak mi da program chai ko ri hi arui ha ko pho na ko pa shung da da jing ri re na than mi lo da na khoi ming sing da more ga phong bu ina pro si kham sai bu ina no yi ming sing da sa salu ma shan le shi da khui sang mi lo itum pro si christian manga ina receiving jun abu marem
Ning shlagay ray chairperson Saint Augustine Church Lungherli. Ara itum na introduction and presentation ibang TCSL letter midle.
Nutum Zaiko really chinrai no. Delegate Zaiko conference bring party clay. She sang ring party sang the later da. Kasigla sikta later ka masaka bayuwang in a introduction and presentation way atami kishika kwika hoga. I extend a warm welcome to all those gathered here today, including our esteemed guests and dignitaries. Remaitwida Achuwi Speaker, Reverend Sister Holy Rose MK, Superior and Headmistress, Holy Spirit, Longpi. Sister Nana Nawe Apamai Nang, Ninka Mitaya release Sakmai, Gachtamilo, Nishnara. Sagorin the Bank Pemise. Kakneli Akamui. Speaker Samiki da Clay, Madam Stila Konghi, Madam Nanala, Nawe Apamaina, and Ingalagazakmai, and Ishlaka Madam, other presidential way. Atam Shiko Vikaka. Karesada Achiwi Speaker, Reverend Sister Holy Rose, presentation hima Miragraga issue, Madam Na, Madam Horingna, Nakaraka issue Pangan of here, Kagangran Mirno. Kareli, Reverend Sister Holy Rose MK, Superior and Headmistress, Holy Spirit, Long P. Oh, good job. Gakneli Achiwe recorders, Mrs. Hanati Humpum. Nextly, opening prayer, Chairperson St. Augustine Church, Lunghar. Nextly, special number Miki Dakle, Women's Society Holy Family Church, Mawai. Holy Family Church, Mawaina. Nextly, closing prayer, Chairperson Christ the King Church, Chinchurai Kulan. Nishla kare.
Nishla kare TCSLD. Ara itum na special number hing nang room paisa say Women's Society Holy Family Church Mawai na sinatam ra mirano.
Arishna la sagi shi he haula mashan la ina sare sak thai ping ji thung tong na sang rum se itang khavara tang khavara tang Shokranam Avaram Ring Pamesam Ketole Shinalo Tole Shinalo Shinalom Kamale Kamale Nga Samayrano Nga Samayrano Kamasho Kangaro Nga
chính ra nó sa chính ra nó sa sha pa sa mi ra nó khayan kho khama som mi
Nishilagire Women's Society Holy Family Church, Nishili Nishina, Nishan Holawi, Aina Sokami Kami Wang, Nishi Women's Society, Maling Mayrano, Sokami Sarano. Now, I request our Reverend Sister Holy Rose to take your time.
Christo Wimingli, TANGKHUL Catholic SHANAO Long 12th General Conference, CUM 54 Annual Assembly Wikathana Ping, Kalam Member Ping, Natung was Ari Mtalak, Ainang Zip declaring Ya Hilintum Psycho Relating Rihairano. Kala Gunter 2024 Hili Hikta, Aman Kasaga Kazip Hili. Itum Psycho Relivi Ran Hikta Tam Kami Wang, Ju Wangla, Zinkum, Kala Itum Mirin Zadwagi, Klam Hai Merino. Kalau vivrawi sokami itum kecil buli tarano. Jadi lang may da aru kesik atam itaran. Mura zangra la lay dek labing, yang. Maili lum train pom dek labing, holy pom dek labing, dukani pom dek labing. Na tum psycho really la jingri hayrano. So first of all, I'm extremely happy to be here, but I'm afraid to stand here. Because I feel I'm not worthy to be here. Musha. Kresada hikta atam kumiwang virali ni shisay, kalantum psychology ni shisay. Arin ning declare here is a God's plan with charity. Hiralaga atang moderator brother to the akane replacement saira. Ajing yashong we course la container replace amile. I'm so consoled. So I'm very happy. And as I said, hikta atam amman kasaghili kaning kanganing hi samkapang hi iu matik maning nay de iu paning ngay. Kajibawash. It's a big occasion hikta yang amman kasa all TANGKHUL Catholic SHANAO Long. It's not a joke. The most powerful creature in the world is a woman. Ningla. Ok tuili or in any creature, the most powerful pangshap lay may creature jiva. Women. Did you agree? Mam yangay. Yangay la. Mayangay jen hilipam da klela. You see are we atom na opening are we special numbers songs are yang? How beautiful. Very unique, yes or no? Nato ajondang Kito Youth Federation li RK li hila de la sala. So let us give a big clap, okay? beautifully lamang dress mang lim yang lo ka atumila the meaning yang so beautiful meaning with a blessing and with a prayer. Leshlak aina last hata mere congratulations shin ari shi special number kami bingji. Jaji adam hidan in kuidek lehili la luida virali gijunga ningshi ye ka iwi topic jina women in the Bible and now very interesting topic atumna topic mi ghai ping jina ka pangkhui dak le ping jina chala kai na ka pangkhui mere ka ina kya ka mutui rer sanik le let me try my level best. Okay ajiwi atam amman ka sak hili vevrawi ka thara tui mutui gi ka ji hili ina mwa shungrer salala kalamwa pairer salan tum nang rum sangmilo kala ina main healing ning dak le here vevrawi mingli itum seha sangrum sai kala ishi tangkhul ngale hili ishi tangkhul shinao kathli long hili seha sangrum ngai jen ngning dak le ni jen aji hita asim shwa jam sam ka pangne you have honored me with a great welcome, warm welcome. I'm quite happy, but as I said, I feel I'm not worthy. But vevrawi ming sing the aji idum na ina hili ngning dak le ni. So Korea sa the Bible Proverbs wena ina yu topic ji mo poranga na tum lya kang hanau kai itum na shinao de ksha tharan the words yang tui words shinao de ksha tharan tum ningli khira do shinao no mi na no yang when we say girl woman or girl what was the first thought came in your mind tum ningli first khara ji ki do ngala mo mutha yes or no yang itu na shinao jaga ngala nao jaga or any pray now no shinao no jaga ngala mamtha azang mamtha that was the human nature. So are tum gazib da clay ka tong ka hi ngala khamtha ser na achamaram khamtha se vivrana ka pangkhui khe ser nei kala vivrawi na zagui khui la ka itum li purpose aka yang je wangai na ok thui di johora khai ni jaina Proverbs itum na common salak hai Proverbs chapter 31 verse 30 li akshi pangro maus ngla kham thawi magunji kaji ki thaling la kham tha ho kaji ki thaling la kham ma kham tha ho kleji nupna ka pa la sam phangai re ka khare is other Bible ka thara tu we na yang chansam 30 verse 31 yang khangai hi ka kapigla ka kala aza khamatha hi aremana kha the important is proholi khangaji shinao jili sogi gajina yang shai re yang palui kai yang khangai hi kapiglak ka kala aza khamatha hi aremana kha proholi khangaji shinao ji shinao proholi khangaji shinao jili sogi gajina aria ta mili shisangai itum mili rangrum dakle saikor shinao kharnao san mathele brainao kharnao san mathele rangrum dakle ka tong khai vevrali legashi kala vevrawi mingaina ka gazib nei the shitsanga chithai ka ba vevrana itum le ka pangkhui ka khai kala shinao aka ta da sem ka hai hi wang purpose hi wang aji itum na rak zib dakle ne jaina hikatha atam hi amman sakla ka hai atam ne sia sa khangrum vevrawi pau share sa khangrum aka aina aka ka tom khangarum jiwang aji itum ka zip ta kleine jililang me da itum shinao ping hiwa aman ka sakane kala very unique very powerful jaina itum da shinao jaikava khamatha hi the first expression that thought first come in my mind jaina mina matha nai da shinao ping khili compare sa do kamyo ji de yang matha nai de yang kamyo in our tangkhul gp now kamyo ji ne ka aji ina hilik ari shi tangkhul shinao tangkhul gatli shinao long hili aji program li razang na ka ishi tangkhul nau ping ina hangai khi hangai kamyo mo ji le yang ka jingrao now because adang la khang handi yeng ji ne yang line by line ka kharnao most of them are avu ping mang ge jungjang na yang kya ka khamatha le ji le ji katong kana participate masakra le chung jang le bai but whoever have participate kazing rao now the pom yaw se ajira dak le tong li jena shimli pom dak le now shimli pom dak le brother dak le women ping li la yang kazing rao now the pom yaw se ajiwa kamyo now mo chili se isi tangkhul ke li shnao long hi li shnao long je ka thana ping mam ning no all tangkhul itum catholic women ai na jip dak le itum shit ka sang ka tum psycho hi li kazing rao now the compare sam yaws Chita kamaina, the first are in a Bible song when hang out kay. Bible song in the tum the taye Bible li shinawi aming hiva kachung kamag bisang mane. Okay? Shinawi aming kachung kamag bisang mane. But there are some few prominent women, important salak hai pangshable hai outstanding prominent women are there. Old Testamently, kala New Testamently. Arena kachiga natum na aming pingji ma phning war salala. Number jiva paningong pai. Old Testamently 10 prominent women thara yang women thara. Okay? Then in the New Testamently 9 of them. So at least number ba yang pa phung miao se. So in the Old Testamently shinao traji na hangta mege nutum na paningwai ka paningwai re mo paning la kim tham. Ka atumi role ji. The first women in the Old Testament is who? Kipado? The first women in the Bible is Kipado? Hangnon tuma. Eve. Eve. The first women. Jiwitili Sarah. The Abraham's wife, Rebecca, wife of Isaac and the mother of Jacob, Leah, wife of Jacob, Rachel, wife of Jacob, Miriam, Moses aina Aaronwi, Ajonvu or Aktuiva, Miriam, no? Rahab, Deborah, Ruth, Esther. These are some of the 10 prominent women. Okay, Eve, Sarah, Rebecca, Leah, Rachel, Miriam, Rahab, Deborah, Ruth, and Esther. Atumi outstanding quality jikigla. There are 3 in a Junglain Mahangay. Atum Old Testamently the 3 quality atumi outstanding kitada atumli matailak aina atumna role ngriyaw hawkla Old Testamently. Their strength atumi pangshap. Atumi tangmet wisdom and their faith vivrali shitkasang. Hikatong ka ashimi trawe alungli de declare yang strength, wisdom, and faith. Pangshap shnao ka wi pangshap yang quality atumna shijine. Kala atumi tangmet, kala atumi vivrali kangava shitkasang. See, these are the 3 quality yang atumna ji. Atumbi alungli leiser gejinedi atumi shinawa ka sada. Then in the New Testament, hairabai na hangau yang in the New Testament there are 9 prominent women. That is, the first is Kibam Rao. Adang na the first women ji ifangai ra in the New Testamently the first women Mother Mary, the mother of Jesus. Secondly, Elizabeth, mother of John the Baptist. Thirdly, Anna the prophetess, Pongkamiva, Anna yang Pongkamiva. Mumshungle prophetess jiga Pongkamiva mujimla. Then Mary Magdalene, the follower of Jesus. Martha and Mary, the sister sister of Lazarus. Then Priscilla, wife of Aquila, Lydia, Louis, and Eunice. These are the few prominent hibing hina Bible New Testament di kasang niya ashi 9 of them. Atumi quality na kigle jika number 1. Atang Old Testament li hangayang strength, wisdom, and faith. And in the New Testament they follow, but in the New Testament arina hangkai avubing shinawbing jina ki atumi makunji kigle jine courage. Kangachi Mokley, Jauriang, courage, very bold. Devotion. Kihangra, Shitkasang. Then spiritual, Mangla, Likutuk, yang, very spiritual. We've rally Kangavap. So these are the quality of let me mention the few roles of the women. The Queen Esther, yang Queen Esther we come ataji higla. Our Bible na kahang ati shuta ngalala mata na ije yang ngalala mata na asho areg lata na ye. Tuihan janhan a perfect woman. Juwangai na awunga na take her. She's a Persian, okay? She's a Persian lady. The take her out and gatong kan ali kamata we kamataji na yang. With the second, only not with the one look. Kanishi the yang kangai awi kamataji. Ka ana kamataji kisa, ana kamataji and malang so haimane. Ka awi kamataji na awi yur jatli. Kala younger shipping li yui kui. Katada vivrali seha salaka. Awi kamataji lang so we and we go minim. Ka awi kamataji na pangshap salaka. Kala vivrali seha salaka ana. Ashiwi Jewish mi pingli yang atumi awi chat atumi ramnao shangnao pingjili shimanao ki the legasa jili awi seha ka sa pangshap kala vivrawi thang meji mi da ana yui ka kui sampanga datum kharjan sha se rai awi kharjan yang I Queen Esther we jaina ana ki hang awi mi yur pingjili shimanao ra da pam ka sa jili kala younger shipping na shiman nga sagaura da bam ga sajili ana atumi mi pingli khihang 3 days and 3 nights yang jingmi sho gatum thang 3 days and 3 nights yang fasting salo se ha salo ka khala da jang la ka hang mang maning la khala da jang la ka 3 days and 3 nights se ha sala ka younger shipping ju na atum ngatang ga khui sampang kala younger shipping jina galakshi sampangao ka ina hangkai kanaba atumi awi se ha ka sa kamata jina an awunga sa sai lala malang sola vevere varawi kamashung kangrong apong we ina yenga shipping li kala awi mi yurping jili kayui sam ka phangjine jane that is the Esther. So Esther she is known as a influential woman as well as a liberator. No? Esther is known for, in the Bible, influential woman as well as a liberator. Influential, jika kata hang jo atang we nang han da klei ne mlail ver. Ha? Kang sak pang shop ji klei ne yang ali very influential. Then the other one is a liberator. No, liberator. What to say? Ha? Ningkan sampang kangasak. Ayang awi si hagasa pangshab kamata wi wangaina. Awi kalata maning ne. It's not herself. Awi miping wi wang, jad wi wang. Kala awi shimkurang ra wi wang. Jiu wangaina kayui samkapangna. Kala jili lang may another prominent woman. We have heard Deborah, Mashaira Deborah yang Old Testamently Deborah, a very intelligent woman. Okay, are you on Taisi yang WhatsApp ka thali ka changka dai na are internet li thai bose all must be how many followers are you tumna TV li kheng tha da yang followers kya le sani le yang Deborah, a very intelligent woman. Thang mai la khai lai ri le them la khai she is known as she was a prophetess. Pongkamivu, yang Pongkamivu as well as Pichar Sakamivu. In the Bible, she is the only person Shinao Liang Pichar Kasapa. Aritumli God judges lay lamningla. So Deborah is a prophetess. Pongkamivu kala Pichar Sakamivu. Pichar Sakami Shinao Ping Limning Atumi Jatili, yang Jatili, Atom Jisran Chili, Shinao Ping Liver, Kikam Quimim Negila. Ka awi Sasham Bungsham Jen, awi Kamata, Kala awi Katem Juvangina, we rally Kate Juvangina, me being the Ali Kapong Quilaka, yang awi Pongsho Kamimang Maningla, awi Ali Pich Kamashun Mukui, Pichar Sami Kang Sakti Ali Kapong. Then in the Christian history, she is an exceptional military leader. The whole yang Old Testamently, she now live a key communica, Aliva military, a leader military, female military, Shipai Akava the Hoi. Why? Alikita the military Huyao, Hoao, Deborah Li Yang. Katahakle Jilaga Anasiasa, she is a very, as we said, she is a prophetess. She's a judges. Juvangina and the Siasalaga, Ashiwi, Shipai commander Chili. Shipai commander from the barrack, no? Barrackly. And Salo Kyanka shipping Rivalo and the support Saxiagasa, like a Pongkami. We run a hit Sale, we run a Kapongwile, Chilivalo, Japum Chilivalo, then you can use some bangra. We rallying of a blocker. We rally surrender Salaga Valo, the Anna, Katombilaka, and support Sayang, encourage them. Army commander Jina Kihang. Army commander Jina. I will obey God. You know, Vivrali Hanganara, no, Vivrau Hanganara, Colonel Ralo. No, Railish now, Limo Pungdik and Kadvamningla. Ka Ali, come with me, young. Therefore, she went. Raimi Ling Solaka Shipai Biling Sola Akala de Valaka, Jilakayu Sampanga. That is the beauty of Deborah. Jaina, what is that called? 10,000 soldiers, Ali Kang Solaka Kavali, 10,000 soldiers fight against the King Jabim, young Old Testament, and the Kayui Sampangichi. Jisa the Sada, Deborah na Chilivalaga, and the Kayui Samkamati Shuda Atum the Kihang. Atumna, all credit goes to you, not the king. Ashipai being the maning money, no, we will raj and the Kuyusam Kapang, the Ali, Mukachung Kamunam, Sochikade. Akana, again, another lady, a prominent lady is Abijail, Mushayado Abijail, David Shah, braver. David Shah, braver Abijail. Anna, David is a king, David Aungane. David Aunga, Gasadam Saran, Aunga Saida Atumna, Aunga Saida, Misata Lilla, Masata Lilla, Aunga Saida, Aunga Kaman, Gasaka Tonka. There, here and now, and the Salo Gajing, what is that called? Here and now, they have to order Atishuda Saugi in young, Kapakashi Donka. Zena, Davina Aunga Sadle Laka, Anna Awi Mukapawi Wangana, Mikumowi, Malunkavad, Kala. Selfish kakram we wang the mikumo we kakram we ning paning dongzang laga ana mi wasata dre the yang apangli ashitang stalaka ana we pangaina wasata dre jadam le asha brave in the kisa asha brave na abijel jina asha kaharali bleed salaga yang request salaka mi makapa od sagi gi chili ana kan ka khule sampange. I mean the quality of a woman. Therefore, that is the quality of Abijail. So also, all these things I am telling you, few, and point I will behind hang the clay after we'll sum up together. So that is the quality of Abijail, the woman. Okay, the wife of David. Then another one is Lydia Adam Shaira. This is the New Testament. Lydia Adam Shaira. Adang Madam Lydia Kayang. Lydia is also the New Testament. Pyobi Adam Shaira. That is also in the women. I think Kapaliva, you will list Mazang Mane. Lydia and Pyobi, these are also the New Testament, Bible, Kazang Bing. And we quality more or less same. What is that called? Lydia Hina. Lydia, he is a very successful businesswoman. Yang arihon we armara sare now no business. Arihon business temser evening la ramli pam la ayali zalla business one number one. They know how to get the money. Mumshung salam mushung jiba. So therefore Lydia is a very successful woman. Why? How? Our business gasaji not for herself, for mission, for the people. Saint Paul. Atumna Paul long na mission is at lelaka. Rega kreka chung kasambang diyang lot of rejection. Paul na Vivrawi pau kamatatam gazad apam gajida nation gajida in different places tamzad pau kapa haksho adamli Paul long na Saint Paul letter pa kasambang riyang rega krek sip kasa kaya kasam kapang jili atum na kratharan. This Lydia and also Pyobi is two of the person they help. Atumli welcome sa kami atumi jat ngate salala welcome sa mi laka missionary ne jaida vivrawi mi ne jaida atumna katom kami pi khangzab sheba sa kami katong ka atumna sa ji ne je anaka ye Pyobi liver she is known as a helper and deaconess Pyobi li ka tha klei ji laka SHANAO akana churchly or Christian we alongly leader aka sa shabje and proof sai yang ka tha da ahi Paul na letter kagaping ji ang letter kang deliver Christianly rega krek chung khaleaw mo itumita da hitada nganing laka gather sa pai da claiming mo jaina Pyobi na kisa Saint Paul with letter ji hiwa khuiwa mi understood no missionary aga salaka ngatum sa da rega krek we atam ji saran ji Anna, she is the one, Anna delivers Anna Kuivami, Pau Hitako, this is one of the leadership quality, the Pyobina Samijin in the New Testament. Then the other businesswoman is in the Bible, a business lady Jungzang or business we Jungzang or Priscilla, another Priscilla, no? Priscilla is also known for a multi-talented, he live a multi-jigaigo, Atangwa Lydia, a businesswoman, he live a Priscilla, he a multi-talented businesswoman, preacher, as well as a teacher. Okay? Priscilla, he. Ava ot katong kali. Hivargano ana sashab nang involvement salaga katom kami ana involve salaga multi-talented gifted sana jini yang ka gifted ka sa katong ka ji once again ka ju vaina athuma khlata wa manila ka vivrawi wang kala vivrawi mi wi wang seba sa kami yang a vivrawi pau kapa hang haga shock. So that is one of the quality that Priscilla had. She's also known as Alila. Kathada Ali businesswoman how ka Acts chapter 18 lisang lera kathada Ali businesswoman how kala Ali kapa brave yang kapa of brave aka side hoy the jeli Acts chapter 18 with 12 lisang leye. Then she is also an evangelist. Saint Paul we sakang to co-workers akana. Are we Priscilla hila. So, like she women being, just few women are now being with quality role. The atum na sadakle or psycho in a different level, various field, yang. Upon a data, area a data, atum na sadakle gatong one common thing I said, Vivrawi ming aina. Vivrawi ming aina atum na sheba sadakle. Kala kapa vivrawi pau kapa ha shokawai. Kala awi miping wivang. Therefore atum na sadakle osa kachivali pekar kachivali atum atekam te sampanga. Atekam te sampang jili in the process. Atekam te sampang kawai ji process kasatam liki sampang kachot kachang si kafuyang. Hokamaha sip kasa kathai kacham full. Arriva, Krajan Kahangva, Nganangai de Layang, very nice to hear. But in the process, itum na Krajan Sasal, ia look commission, ia the young, ia look commission, that is all. But in reality, Kajanka live a kiak atum sip sadak, Kang was a lyric. So also, Nella ila young, Nella ila. Okutui SHANAO Akasalak Oktuli Raprai like no with duty, a vaka with duty, Lanauka with SHANAO with duty. vivrana same laga purpose vivang maram le laga plan le laga itumli ka tong ka ok thuili jeho karane vivrana by chance aina oh he was shinao praga ine yang itum mikumo bai sadam tuilam ningla ka vivrana by chance aina shinao mirna um shemre jila he has his purpose there is no accidental mikumo ga sada shimpan rampan li yonai ka khamutu ingrok kchungka le le yang jikta ba kchungka le but in a reality as a human being vivrana ok thui mikumo li shem ka haitam saran iwi zagyu ina iwi zagyu it's on my own image and likeness same kai ne chi thai ka ok thui li tum ra product le nong shinao ak sa lem tai la ga na ajui topic li hang la in hang de mir now be important sam ma sam ne chim ning ne kha itum li raw is a gui khui la ka purpose le la ka ok thui li ra hai khai ok thui li jo kra ne kha aji na ina shinao ak sa le la ka na ina shinao ak sa le ka what is your role then are we in a hangai da Christian Old Testament jiva kup khaine like for example Old Testament Bible and as I said in the Old New Testament li Ave Mary li mom lai paim ni yang Ave Mary mom after all these are Ave Mary jiva wa kachung ma hang lui ke the important especially in our Catholic Church in our Christian faith in our Christian journey or itung we what is that called salvation ki holy kyang sta dang den kazing omran zangi ki chili chong fu chili in the journey in our pilgrimage Ave Mary limam lai pai jita kam aina ri Bible no Bible we Christian ka hang mi we Christian ka hang is an inspiration for us itumli tamkhuire no shikhuri no itumla hita ko kachiwi atuma ok thuili ra laka ok thuai laka cruci phungai laka coloring pharing shiji experience asera laka atumi pechon je haimi laka atuma thui gai ne jila ningla that is called Bible is over already for example the stories Christian being atumi mirin wa kubar jila kha aru itumi topic ati should now is important I want to stress on that natumla pa laka theiba illa pa dala yang reflect I can itum ko tong na phaning ga sia sa la ga chung mzi la ga yo hi thala mo ka chung ka tam kui khwai le ka a lot of encouragement itum li inspiration khami yang ka tom khani ka ning li ning ha khang sak pangshab o hi thala mo tam kui khwai ka chung khale but the most important is in a hangai wa now is important now jai ka wa minister being actress being the jibing chila issue topic li hang dai lo i wa yang the Bible in the women in the Bible and now the Bible we story we to na pa la ka yo hita ko itum tam kui vai shi kui kwai ka chung ka lei kala tam ko kui shi ga kui la lei ba me what about now jai ka ki pa na I de la ru de la that is jina matai makeup ka je atuma ina ka hang ta da atumna sagi wa gi ji phal la shi la atuma tam ko ba now means who are we in the me Christian pa I don't want to speak about the big fellow success fellow or failure fellow Christian me Christian ji mahang se ji la ri ka chung ka le ji la ra newspaper pa la mobile sing la internet sing la itum Christian ka chung ka le what about now je ka me Christian hang gi ji na ri ato yu ka phaning liva topic ati shu da yang na are we what is your role how are you living na ka tha da ok thui de le na ki sa le na ki role nga yaw de le shinaw aga sada that is my question mark so it's a very beautiful jaina now gi wene yang ishi ari tangku kyali shinaw long li congratulations da hangai ji ne mam ya ngai hikta such a big gathering ho sadak le hi yang ra da claiming kalam ra le pam da claiming tangku Catholic in the faith I just congratulate yang tum ka tong khali we rawi so khami ka tang mobile ta shung mirano hi ta gathering le mang maning da shimung khai thran namang zalala shim khuli pam salala no we od pam li za salala we rawi so khami kha nana od sadakle nana kharing kharagli how are you living Bible when ka paji saran atum ka to chung ka va very rally khang va pa shinao aka sasir khayu le sambang atang wi tha da Esther long yang Deborah long Priscilla long how are they shinao aka wi mukun pangshap jing sen la ka athum na kya ka yui ka khui sambang dale kala athum na ka chot ka chang khang rom la ka ot sa dak le kala yeng shi bin yui khui dak le kala maga pha ga har chili mushung sak tak le maga pha naw chili mushung sak tak le kala cha chili tharma chili athum mushun mukhui mi sa dak le kala kharnaw bingli ka thana bingli sheba sa dak le athum magun je thaga aji itum na shit ka sang Catholic nawa ka sa da Catholic we women ava sa da itum kya ka vivrawi pongli vivrawi mi komoli no vivrawi mi pingli ka sister mang maning ne yang shinawa ka sa da nakla da first of all nakla da self after that your married life the family your role in the church your role in the village, your role in the society, your role in the world. Chita kamaina arihon atam hitaran. When we talk about arihon itumna arihon we atam hangava khangji khangchala kachung lei babam de. Kala ringa phala kachung lei babam. Arihon atam hili itumna digital world fast moving world yang scientific world aming cha thang le yang kai thum aponga ka shong hang ka ithumi kla ke kham hai do hikta atam regasang atam itran ithum la kharing khara ka theisam ga phang yang it's a great blessing we rawi ka so khami ne gila atam hikta atam ni ithum o ka thya atam itran hili te khamate hiya ya thei khang sak yang but khangchi khangcha je ka arhon wi shinao ngala now pray now shinao akawi kachung gachang na misuse la sa le jila aman ka saka shinao mirin og thuliak shmang ro og thui hili we run a purpose leila ka og thuli chora khai hili itum na misuse sa khai yang langa so og thui langa so na og thui rod kamra na khuitui khai laga mirin shman khai ka chung ka le aji gajang hili a very surprise news natum ka shama sa mangle aji gajang 2024 we generally southly and CEO officer shinawaka hoteli yang 4 years old ashinaw miyarajili holaga hoteli wa bisang jine yang hoteli wa bisang aji gajang ni shok dak lego gajang hi mo pirang go yang wa bisang laga one night ngaya ka spend sa ga ni hoteli yang ga ahi as akam flight kwilaga sau awi otpam di bauri jaina hoteli book wasai laga anaw mayar 4 years old singumati aina ari avubaji hoteli wa pisang haine laka akam mang thor ka thau avubaji briefcase ka hak aka shimen laga shora sa jine why how now li sa thadai laga briefcase li sangai sa je ari honwe avu nei je ka thau General police ping na kala ari hotel we guide ping jina katha da aya na wa khara la ka thau jen atum aji hotel when it thui khai thili check sang sa jen ari room li ashi drops le sa jine jen atum investigate ga sa dam sarali atum le sa da pha khui la ka airport wa shung na ka tu khui la ka open sa jen ashi now me 4 years old we don't know I mean Kerjanji kathau kiwaina kathau jiba mathei thu mana yang jiba news ari honwi mikumo bingji ka ahi shinau bawahi avu bawahi like temla big officer he's a big officer ari honwi ka them ka tham ka shungjila jiba ina khang ga atang ina khang tha da mi wi kerjan ma sa se just look at in our family circle Shimkur we circle la yanglo. Itu we TANGKHUL we area la yanglo. Itu we jad we area la yanglo. What not is happening? Kamathali zakshi me chung me khai thai oi liba. I thought we are in a fast technology world jere yang. In a digital world. Tili prak Jacob everything one at a time second jere. ka rei ka sang hen itum ka pha chung me de shoki ji liba sak shi na chung me de shok da kleila chena hi ka tha atam khui khara hi itum akha ina ka tom ro la ka tha da itum ok thui sikle first of all itum kla da ok thui sikla shinao a koi mukun kala mukun ji leng sak la ka tha da ok thui sikle kala ji li lang me da avu ka sa mong na people are in a boarding now. I mean, we are always keeping in touch. My main concern is now he buy kiwan lari mutem kutukli jang. Now he buy kata the pasak sang nikle yang. Kangari ki kata the dismiss housika, dismiss ka stop studying. Life is gone. For example, yang. Oh, every time in all my works, that is my thinking. Kahang makang nawi, shina no mir nawi. Kata the matang sakli ki trick. What technique should I use? How should I advise? Kata the siha mrakali like a pine sa mrakali sak shen la sa different way I am thinking. Then what about you? I mang the lajia paning like na avaka sa the kaya ka paning claim raw. More than me. Now rawilizang kaharang rawilizang. Kalanda with duty, you just imagine. I was just thinking, no? Ishi shinao, I mean, women being kajung jang brain out later, I think women katanao being umningla. They have got 100 works at home. Ka hiwi itu mi shinao long wine, hiwi women wine, hiwi church wine, parish wine. I mean, so many things they are able to reach out. They are able to do. No, like Priscilla, multi-talented business ka jimning ko. They can do anything at any time. They can sacrifice. Atumna sacrifice ka chunga sa shabe. So like ishi tangku Catholic shinao long bing, kala avu bing, kala katong ka yang hikta tam kui kra mi vivrali ngavap se. Itu mi problem, itu na shinao aga sa the problem face sa the gle the nature arui yang lo akainda ka ngahan ro ka yang so happy, very nice, but atumi cruci ga bai ning dai yang atumi cruci gli thai do atumi cruci ri gli thai do. You look at the eyes of the women. Hiktali wa ka he church wang mi ping wang, they can do amount every day every night without sleeping. Ka atumna sacrifice sadak leji yang atumna sacrifice sadak leji atumi amigli yang lo. Just look at the eyes of the woman who really sacrifice. Kaji kibana pangshami we ra Jishu Christa ana pangshap sangmi. Therefore, aji ting mi sho hili hikta tam hili ina hang ngaya kale. Let us learn from Martha and Mary. New Testament young Martha and Mary. Jishu Christa na ashishim Bethany jili visit kasa tam saran jili Martha na seba saye Mary na vivrawi amazingly from laga awi karinga tui vivrawi tui nganai. The Martha na complain sai just krajanji yang Jishu Christa yang lo isa ok tui vu jili pom ina ya ga sang jon le ka amasang jon nei mang sang jon ngane ili sa da hang. But Jishu Christa with tuya ji ituna khang lesson aka tuya ji ina natumli pani khwing sangai jikido jilaga Mark chapter 10 yang Mark chapter 10 with 38 and 42 jili Jishu Christa with tu yang itum hilipam sala katai li sala la hi pa hi mam lai mi se Jishu Christa with tu. But one thing is needful. Mary na Martha na Jishu Christa le hitai da hang ser kai witili anaki hang. But one thing is needful. It is a Jesus words, okay? And Mary had the chosen the good part, which shall never taken away from her. Jishu Christa with tu ne jang Martha le hang ne jang. Ali zakshi de hang mne ka aka one thing is needful. One thing is needful. Akajitar maram akaji tarka sachi khiklei jilaga mary na phakamai shongfuji kapangkwere kijiwa awe na mukhui thui ki kiji awe na mukhui thui ki kiji pangshap je ali akla ana kapangkwere which will never taken away kijiwa khito vivrawi tui vivrawi ngalemli pamlaka vivrawi kharing tui khangana my dear women's Kachicha ramli za salala, kachicha we osin vasin, ki akasa salala. Itum vivrali mum laise. I want to say this one. Church ka kamangli se ak samaning vivrali vivrawi tui kangana. Shina. Aka nga sasir kwai sasir kachini yang. Jena jili lang me de shina aka sada itum na. The first and foremost is Ari women jai ka kachung jang simpan khai sir ne yang ningla simpan sir khai ne jai na vivrana hang khai yang itum bible hang khai akale jiwa avu kala brave jiwa a helper, a partner who rules over creation, a wife, no, a mother or a wife is a partner who rules over creation. Kala, a wife is a helper. Avu jiva, kala pray vu jiva, kaharaling chon kawai. Kala, vivrali kathaya, avu kala pray vu jiva, kaharawi kuihone. Akahongne, the mahang ni chatum nangda, kuihone, crown. Akahongne is controlling. Now we say, no, in the Bible it's not written. Akahongne is done this way, no? But that doesn't helpful. Then, akana katha da hanglejika, a wife is to be submit to the husband. Avu go kala, a brave go pajiva, agharali, ham sangi kajina, yang kahangkangna ham kasang, kala. Aparevo jiva sem kaka shim kala sim shem kaka shim khurne ka aka hangai jiva ham ka sang jai ka va ka harna ka hang tong ka a chilo chi ning ne yang remember in the story in the Genesis li avawi role ka hak khale avawi role ka hak akale jiva we run a first ka semi Adam ne yang Chili ana awi helper among ire jaina nutum lakasha samangai in a repeat salwige kiwaina virana shinao gasem adam jitarandi awi part awi pasawi parchi akuen mukuitu apangai ne mukuitu apen mukuitu glei the hangwai yang ka kiwaina arabain kuyao there is a meaning in it kiwaina arabain kuyao jikawa ali khangso a helper a partner who help awi khangaso yang aling chon khawai chuwaina that is why the Lord God took the rib ki holu do tangkhul toina arab wene yang arakwiya ka khusolaka awi helper ji Eve sakui dang just the meaning you just in see no we run ok to mi kumok se matam lila it has got everything has its own purpose and a meaning khrijan mang maning la ji thai ka wa Kida avakawi kala prevakawi duty avavali kachung khale kaharali kachung khale China Bible kachung hangai le in mahang lui ke pum khai ta gi re ka Proverbs le hang khaya khale yang Proverbs 12:4 an excellent wife is the crown of her husband. But she who causes shame is like rottenness in the bones. Proverbs chapter 13:4. Kamata ka gashunga brave hiva kaharawi kuihone crown. Kuihone is ka kya bujimnim ko crown yang what is it called? Queen being na gasangji. Kuihon aung vu kuihon gajine yang crown jika kuihon jika cap jika very easy but crown means aung vu na yang aung ping na aung brave na gasang ping ji yang So we run a Bible chia cutting mate the Shanao being the Mosochikat lake atumi roll chi. But Kajini young probably. But she who causes shame is like a rottenness in his bones. Ka kaharali kiyakanga sak kalang shim kashimi being a brave jiva rottenness in the bones. Arakui pasarakui li sui gahaini je rottenness not smelling. This is a proverb is telling us. China shimpan rampan marriage liyang cancerous marriage behavior what is it called marital behavior da poimak lewa cancerous marital behavior cancer khale shimpan khai wi thile yang cancer khale the first one is chronic criticism is a cancer to the life of marriage. Hiva avu ping ne hang dak le go yang pray now pe ngala now ping lang thalain ngana lo chronic jacob marairer lui gi yang gaza salam ning la itum na gaza kui hi thai de is chronic je yang marairer lui gi. So chronic criticism is a cancer to the marital to the life of a marriage. Shimpan rampan dak le ping avu ping yang se yang akhar chili criticism jiga Bashachon Kachipingiang. Each Garavita, Hangsho, Atomic cancer, Nijico. No cancer, young. The chronic criticism, Mashachon Kachi. Second one, Jika, making fun of him. Nakarali, Mamanishilo. Young? Mamanishilo. Comparing him to other men. Don't compare. Nashina Karli, Avajita, Asha Karvajita, Mir Baji Hitai, our Tolop Sai, no Paisalam Hitai. Don't compare. Okay? Don't compare. Then the other one is disrespecting him publicly. Miwi Mangali Kyamakshi. Okay? It's a humiliating, no? Miwi Mangali Papri Kayamakashi. The other one is belittling him in front of the kids. We now ngarawi mangali yang sashila in gasaji azam zakshila in gasaji. No we now ngarawi even no we now nana prata kai now awi mangali ji matalo nakaharali. Then what else? Shaming him from not being spiritual enough. Chersmak gawiwang. Siamag Sawivang Ali Mamanishilo. Okay? It's a very good, no? Church Makahiva Kamonsana Day, Ishitangkuliva, Kantelim Teture. Everywhere, why men don't want to come to church, I don't know. Forget about spiritual, but church Mkangaji. Atum Vang Church and the data same Yausika Ajivishinao longly discuss Salaga, church and the data action hour. Church Kazatkaji, the young Shinawi line were always full. Gents are, I don't know, not even half. Ari itum na commonly speaking, Shanao being what to pete. Shanao being what jealous sanai. Commonly speaking, isn't it? Michitado. Shanao jang atuma to pete. Or atuma, what is it called? Means very mean to us, no? But we are not being church makava, kiankin mangaga. Because we really kangava or any prayer, family prayer gasa, or anything for spiritual. So, whatever it may be, we've rally matamne, no siam sangam, lighting my palm, the mamanishilo, nakaharali, kachine. Then the other one is always lecturing and nagging him. Lecture, hitai, advice lecturing, nagging, cho, samilo, hitalo, nagging. No? Always lecturing and nagging. Another one is complaining and being negative. Complaining, papar yang him samimne, comparing the being negative, negatively complaining. Yang. Then another one is controlling and manipulating with tears. Chabreg laka kapo yang, nye jelaka chabreg laka nawi kapani unsung kawai yang. That is also. Then another is not allowing to express the love of the wife, the love of the husband to you. So what I'm telling you all this, these are the cancerous marital behavior. Hina cancer ka zat ping ni jo hi akabing ni ji. Cancer we akabing ni jaru na hang da klei ji. Aru ngana da klei awa ka khni jang da klei bi ring phalai pom le riang hen. But remember, Bible hang kai tha da Vivrana ogutui mikumok sema dam saran Vivra jina kipali first rahodo Adam mine if sem kai withili no we helper ne no we so now ne the if li sem kai withili if na epo hi shailo ma shailo ji shailo jaina khar le shaire jaina the first responsibility of the father, okay? But if na shailo jen ani shang romai de yang le shing rog nai de shang romai sang romai ka vivrana ani na kahang ma khang na ju wai na vivrana ki pali first raho if the rahom ne yang Adam where are you jadam le Adam na king han ka Adam na I hili le ye na wi na sem khami shinao pa ba jin ne de yang ji sha kriao de ki hang. What does that mean? Nana and in a mashai logaji at Hiji Chaika, wine and Adam Nakahang Adam Saranchili. What do you learn from there? Gina key message me like Lazilla. Adam Gina, are we responsibility Mquila bravely? Young? Blame sa kaine. God has created Adam to be the head of the creation. Og tui sa yurwa yur katong ga sem guys le akui sa lo da Adam le mi gai de mning mla ka ki waina ana if li blame sa da le chita ka maina ari hon Adam hi le yang shinao bing the powerful sala go mo ari hon akui mle im ne shim khuli there is no akui mle im ne shinam ya na ngai chai ser akui mle im ne ka ita da hang le akui ma khale ya shim khurji wa ka thi ai ning rai chai ji ne. Understood, no? Akui makaleya, kacha kathana yang akui avavu or akui makaleya shimkur or mijia kathia ning rai jai kathiwi it's like crops, dead crops, no? Mi kathiwi angunai ning rai jai. Kala shinao bing na hang la prai. Atamu ya tishu the modern time atu itu ma akui khni shimkur li ji ne yang. Akui khni le ka it is like a monster. The GP yang, ke monster mo akui ning vui jo mo. Cita ikai tum likhi hang le, shim kurli akui, kyang kathana avavune. That's why don't forget when I say all these things. Avavu shinao akawi mukun, kala priva akawi mukun, avaka sagi jo mukun itmu hitai hang dak le hili. Avabing is the main responsibility. Kala avuji na masarar kava kapa on masarar kava kipawi kuyon kaharawi kuyon kala gahara jina kapa masarar kava kipawi kuyon prevu kuyon mum yangai jungzang le inter. But one thing shinawi role the time God created how kapok Mikomo ogutui and hopol ka arui rashing the shinawi role is very, very important, more than a man. Don't forget this. Mir nauli lang made the shinao bing we role ogutui karing karagli. Shinao bing we role is very, very big. Lari katem we mlem go hiliva yang. Arui honwi arui na hang krajanaka hangji arui newsaka hangji. Tem thang me gaine legs and legs atuma tolop zada kleine yang. Ari honwa I don't compare with the katem lari katem aina lari magatem mangla chong wachi mangwan acham aram shinawa ko mukuni ji mangwam ne jila. For example, let us see ara ituma ram gajung jangli atamu ya tishu ta gajung jang na lari tam o sa ser ayali za ser yang. Shimwi jersey kibana local jersey kibana take care sa lui khawabing na. Yes or no? local church day in day out kipana yengsang shitkasang lagasa church we tangajida we church all these women youth I mean a church kipana yengsang lui khwana oping na yang ai in a lari ka tami makanam ne chi muning mane kha manglawi pongli shinawa ka wi achamaram quality chili there is no difference between lari ka tamai na makatam. Therefore, I used to tell, Tangka itum na ungri ta meeting ka hag limang ungay chilambra kali. Respect our elders, respect our own people. Let us acknowledge atum ni chotang ka sadakli. Let's acknowledge, appreciate them. Atum na masatay lala, mathem lala. Atum na jaka church wivang ku wivang yang vivra wivang the sadakli ji. Itum na acknowledge sami say, appreciate sami say. Kalau itu mereka tiam tang macam hitako yang hibasa ke pamera. How beautiful it is. Itu mereka tiam macam jadi iwi ke hang mangan ara. Or si ramli ke bumping jina. Ay itu tu macam tang ke mangli ung laga itu mereka decision yang ni kuiara. Jika ke jung ke kang mukang shau le dari hon. No church lila, keli lila, shimkur lila. So all this will disappear when we sit like Mary at the foot of Jesus. Itu na vivrawi mangali Mary wi thada vivrawi ngalemli pamlaka awi kharinga tuijing na haikava hikatha ka tong hi sof sara. Itu na la sajing gja yang oh taste the Lord is good. Taste salo yang vivrahi kya ka pagle. Try taste. Arui atam hitaran, arui tumi ira hiliang, itumi ira hili, atam hitaran hili. Very, very challenges. Hivak shoka tharing me, hivak vaka kiklak shishong nikle. No peace, insecure. Khangachi khangcha atam ne jila. Kiwai na ngajing jao, we are depending on ourselves, on our security. So the best the matha makeup ka je solution nana kya ka ngazan lala kya ka sip salala na wi ka khanang ka jo ki panar ka mathe mi la paim ka jili ka thaya ka balai mam lai paim ka ji itum me ra itum li ka sema we ra Jesu Christa na thai dak leine. Therefore nana more kya phung lala ngazan lala ka zat ka kar ka ji da ka them hai lagai laka mikumo aga sada vivrana ili shnao aga sang sagaira kle vivrana ili avwa ka sang sagaira kle vivrana ili a brave aka ng sang sagaira jiwi makunaina vivraling avam laka ina hangai ta da Mary wi tha da itum na problems kletum sip ka sa o ka tuwi sip ka sa or pressure juwangaina any problem di Mary wi tha da vivrawing lemli pamlaka let us listen to Jesus. Jitai ka va vivrana ka sak mirai. Yang vivrana there is no problem that God cannot solve. The Jesu Christ na hangkai tui je. Martha yang there is a one needful thing that is Marina pakamaya. Awen mukui tui haiki ka je anaka pangkwere. Jiki kla jika vivrawi tui khangana. Vivrawi karing tui khangana. Arui tumna vivrawi zagui kui laka malay salala. Vivrawi tui jika karinga tui. Bible, our faith. Mother Mary wi thada yang. Kik kama kaning shinao jina. Oga tui hiri kawi hui kami kui kara thada. Kaji kiwangay na ra. Awi shit kasang awi vivrawi tui khangana awi juwai na khara nei jila jithai ka wa arui itum hili itum bam da klai sai ko re hili itu na vivrawi tui ngana ai ka wa sasha pangshap shimkhuli churchly ramli yang no doubt about that ka vivrawa atam lei yang vivrawi atam ra sare remember Anna prophetess Singkumpai 80 years kido church lipom laka siak sane yang prophetess no in New Testament Anna a woman 80 years singkum how many years Yeah, he remained, she remained in the temple. Kisa sehasapam vivrawi yang. Hikta vivrawi mingaina awi odram khangatu wangaina. Aji itum shitkasang athe kamathe samkapang sampang dakleine. Jita the sada lekshi ishu women being. Hikta atam krai hikta atam khuirak mi atamitaran. Itum akaina akatom ngorokse. Paisa lan atamang mashmanayla hita the karung aman kasaka kasib hikta hili. Varewi sokami itum saiko really tashuk mirano. Kala zadwagi kaji thought ping jilila itum na kamashung kangarong atheji yausangay laka. Naung rapingly kala rara the clay thought ping jili. Kala kamhaya itumwi o avuni hida sai salamo. Kathana ping ne da sa sai molo aru itum na Old Testamently New Testamently atumi krajan thought pada kleta da atum na itumi thought parada atum na la kanui thought ping na la kala ijawi naung ra ping na la itum we ne shikhui la ka kamashung khangrong we rawi shongfu jili zatta kala tamkhui da ringa pha success ka sa thum mirin le sampang rano jida da sada lekshia she women being hanglu latluida hanglu shitke me kumowa ka sada shinawa akawi avwa kawi kala brave akawi crucifer riglake is a very heavy ka vivrawi lukam chanle shi jaina ka vivrawi sokami jaina hipa hi masarar mara mapung shambra ji mapaning milo Jaina atamitaran atangina hangkai tada. We are in the advanced world. Rekasang atam hili ta sam kawang. We rally go chukaning she say. Zakashiji shongfu jili mushurai say. Just look at the life of your children. Nashinatum naungrale ka naungra ping jili anglo. Kalana we atam di kata da leisa. Atume achamaram na we acham ngaram. Avu na mat avu we tungli responsible ka hak ka kalini je. Avurno avarno naungrarno kaharno avu role ka chung kang riau kwaile jen we vrali sokami pokise we vrawi thangmet esterly mi khai tha da kal deborali mi khai tha da kal mother mary li mi khai tha da we vrawi sokami we vrawi pangshab shit kasang thangmet itum li ta song mi laka itum khlata kal simkhur china simkhur naungra ka harangara okthuile le ka leshiri aina we rawi odram ngatilaka ring phalak in okthui kala mo okthui le later claiming chila showing the good example jita ka maina we ralling of a biker ot ka tong ka ungshung wa shung rei je mamalai milo ungshung wa shung rei ka ji ning phaning na mang maning la plan dreams ji mang maning la kha se ha ka sa we ralling of a blaka kaya kanana kaya ka more pungai salala kaya kangazan salala vivrawi mangali makhiyak se vivra I hi ko I hi ta ko I wi khangzan ji hi ko ina sak ngai ji hi ko vivra hi itum atam ka ji da welcome sadakle ya ing langsar le yang ya atam pha lem na kamara na lo no every second every moment vivra God is always welcoming us itum psychorally no Ngai de kleine. Jane kachot kachang atambreno ringpa atambreno we rally mulmum lailak I say kala we rana mighai mukun shinawa ko mukunji itum oktuli rashon laga kashi karau oktuli laga let us make use no let us make use kala okotui langa so okotui kasui yang Paisa lan ka sing ka shang khare na mukhui tu ai se thangka mathangka na ila ngale on our yang atama mathairar mane ka thangka mathangka ngale on our ok tu lim le tu ji was sure jeno ok tu li akshida ra khai ji one thing is sure na ari ki akama ki shog lem tem ne kishi kale le ki shog lem tem ne ka one thing is sure ji wa ki do itum ogthuili permanent malay mara yang thangkha itum ogthuan country aura the ok thui li shikara ok thui le ka we rao na mi khai to mi ning yang kala shinao aga sa da shem ka hai ju wang ka shap aina dang da we rao na chi thei ka mi we rao we thang me chi sing la ka we rao na pung sham mi khai quality tum li sing la ka we rao li odram nga chu se kala shimpan ram pan se ka je in to mai hangai chi da sa da like shia she we women being ari tun ina ketiau ka mutui khai hili Bible when la kolo ok tu shang when la mutui thei dam tui da claim ning nei ka in are running aji na running the rang ning da claim hiwa I just want to pray together dum li sia sang ko wai wang in mutui thei da tam ji thei ai da khara maning manai ka we rawi ming sing la ka ishi tangkhul gali shinao long wang sia sangum se da khara nei kala himara rang la ka na tum information ati shu de la kala I tum issue parish li da issue parish wi li Kamasom Kyang ko hili host ka sati itum wang na krewen a few days krewen la sia samira shun da kleine jaina hikta nutum jo changla aina how many days and months ka shikawe alongli nutum na ngaran ye jo changla aina ayarwe na mi ayarwi mi aina la kala khangte khongnai na wen jak ka sangrum wangram da klei the la kala ring phala ke kala hegitha sadakle financially la phasa yang atam ka tong khila athei khamathei ya tangku shinao tangku ke li shinao long we kasim nga sak vai sa se ji thum I wi se ha nei kala hiai nga so da khale mai na hi kubai ka kup khai ma sa se ka iji jawi ot pam di ngai sala la ram cha sala la katam ka shirino ot ka sarino ijawi ot pam di va serai sala Bevra ka ho jili mam lai se o ishi wi shnao ping ji meri wi tha da arwi atam khangaji khangaja atam itaran hili o ka thui kya ka re sang la khangaji khangaja thi shok rik lei ji mag the atam itaran hili meri wi tha da jishu krister wi ngalem li pam la ka jishu krister wi praising li pam la ka awi ka thar tui jing na se kala awi thang me ji na than mi da gazat ka kar ka chi da shimpan ram par no akha ka sar no ka ka tiaw ma thela we rawi so komi ji thum li ta shung jing no kala ishum tangku shinao hi maling mai da tharma shong mang maning la itum shinao aka wi quality khre wi tradition atishu da awo ayina haimi ga hai achama ram kala tradition being khamatha ot ping chile mamlai khamatha osak ping chile mamlai hai se arina ka hangta da just a few song of avubing na special number la ka sa khai or very different unique way we girls women being even creative sala kai in different ways meeting aka salala church we no khu we no society we no women wa zangshon. There is no father society, there is no man society. Yang meningla, jana itum shinao ping hi, avu ping hi, mtaila kai na shinao ping avu ping hi, role ka chung kang riok vai le ye, we rawi thang me jina than mi da itum psychorally, we rawi so kami ji itum li ta shung mi reno, ina mawa ka pai, mong ka pai, ka chung le sa lang rum sang miao lo, kala hang yon khai le sa la pyo mi lo, ka ina khang tha da we rawi so khami we rawi wang we rawi mi ngai nan tum li sia sang rum sai da ji li rak jang le no tum nam thalai na welcome sa khami wang ina mating mining sa la la no tum na chingri ai nang na khum wang ning shi la gai re we rawi so khami once again kala avu meri wi nga kui khami itum mirin pai da ta shong mi no kala ishi tangkhul shinao kehli long hi tangkhul kehli shinao long hi maling mai da pha mai da kala Ramchad Okotuya Chukum pay the prominent Old Testament lila New Testament mila prominent women tada itum kamalinga ja tangkhul ja shinaw akang sakwai sa se very women aina. Thank you so much ning shilagai re kasigatam li khang mila ka ngana khamiwang. Thank you once again. God bless you all.
Ning shlagai re Reverend Sister Holy Rose no presence mangai na mashapla na azai thumni ra laga shinaw akwi makun itumli kala shinaw akwi role very li shit kasang wi mga aina itumli tamkhui khwai topic we women in the Bible and now juwi aina na mai khai mi khai chui wang sister na lining shila kay re nawli nawi shimkhorli kala nawi community pom dak laili very nang somi da nawi ministry li mga ba may sarano guji hang jipundalay ara itumna local organizing community li atam midalay
yari siglala hunna ka khang rum lisit ki jili dai jishuna rai khami ot ka chung ka sawing chaili mi ka chung khali rai khami wing chaili rai mi khai na ringpha nai da mlai phung ka chathu khai athung wing chaili mi khamang na ming shai re dong hang ji chai na jishuna ta ka khang te ba kli wau kle ji khangan ta da itum elosi bing li la波得来了个吧，走的，好容了个波了个，米个海呢，唔来来个了，一通把看么去了，看个姐姐呢，一通混个做中律师，一通为 local 闹病，donors 闹个东个里，您写的只行律师给，明爱能说的，local 忙呢 S Honison 安那10,000 donate 啥米耶。AS John Mila ana 10,000 donate chami AS Ramsem ina hi patam mandale laga isingra hili ka jang aming bing ya really atam pat da atam ba ji jinthai ka vai na thum alert ain ba misalo aming pa ko pai nang se de hi wa ka khwai ina aming patam man chadle AS Ramsem 10,000, Joylida Koshimwo 10,000, Ungsungam Haure 10,000, El Luirepi 10,000, S Hasokmi 10,000, S Ningshila 10,000, Dr. Peleng 15,000, Ungrewon Tsar, Ungrewon he church we now lava sasaye arwe to salisim bandale church now lava kasada and la 10,000 sang midale we seen me first 10,000 we seen me second 10,000 El Simlung 10,000 H Soremi 10,000 K Luis Akan 10,000 AS Yang Mi 10,000 AS Leishwon 10,000 AS Hangmila 10,000 AS Jihan Bum Catechist Kikan Saint John Catholic Church Pungthali Catechist Sadale High School Arwe Thum na Bambai da Clay School Hila Anam Yon Dale AS Jihan Bum and la 10,000 sang mi dale J Paning mi Arama Hang mi now kay Yaro now ne 10,000 Dr. Robert 10,000 Sibing Jara Mangawak kami saraulo inam ron na isi elo sibing li tandi ming sakra taklo isi convener la taklo eson hili kali kata hili pata khaya mi ba chimra sala simkun pat respond ka samilo esonison yes son mi taklo yes son mi yes Ramsem S Honison Karatelela AS Son Mi Kaire AS Son Mi Li Miao Lo AS Son Mi Li Miao Lo Thôi Honison Makathola AS Ramsem Joylida Khasim wo Ungsungam haure da sim khora khan la kam yaulu Ungsungam haure Asok mi es asok mi asawa ne asok mi ji himning ne asawa ne yo es ning sila Dr. Raphe Lang ning sila jang wa maning na chon wa ne ong rewon to sar we sin me first no will quit how lo ka son ma chi lo we sin me first ong sung ngam hao re miao lo ong sung ngam hao re we sin me we ji miao lo tha ka we sin me first ong sung ngam hao re we sin me first phai sa wa khar na sang khami ne kha apre va sa thai ta na khui khai ne Ari lawi sin mi second El sim long vi sin mi second El sim long kara ta le ye El sim long nasa wali mi no mo yor cha pa mo ko yo sorry me vi sin mi second la akhon hi iram naw ping akhon hi sa kha ka thak meaw no ya mo koi re rung ko sorry me ke lui sakan as yang mi as lesiwon ka lo ka ba je in hi anek jang mi thau re sorry me ka lo sorry me jo sorry me sia sa wa nei sorry me ke lui sakan Kelus akan as lesiwon kau lo ka khweo lo as lesiwon as yang mi as hang mila as chihan bam ocha chihan bam klik le aksi as hang mila iba hili as hang mila hoi yo as chihan bam ocha chihan bam Saint John Le volunteer sign and get the Chingum Sraka Sarai Ray, Kala High School, he will Otala Sadale at a school here to Najikami, locatum Hiliga Bumney. Yes, young me. Yes, young me, Sia Samane. Kelu Sakan, Ochalu Sakan. Sim kurak nila, musod nawa nila kui meaw na ya. Visin misaken makangay kayo kuyaw ko. Kuyay ka japro ko ya. ke lui sakan isi bawo ne ke lui sakan akhna kui miao no ya lui re phi city boy ka khuyao lo thara thoro awo ji thara lui re phi khani sam hangai ra ko hili kham yami khai na khava free sa bai ra chen as ramsam okay s honisan as ramsam Japaning me we he asamai we pare van nukhi mi khai ne achawa yarau nau ne achakla ji thengai hilil awang ramang mani la ngla nau chang sa khat la chakla ji thengai ji ne kha swere Dr. Robert ning sei re achang ya chen tang sara ka iba ya price he arui ma mila okay Dr. Peleng abam hilung sungai re de pau sa de le abam mangawak ka milo cho Dr. Peleng itum LOC bing na conference wivang approach kasali kika kasivam le 15,000 donate cha mi de le are MU le kika lecturer professor sa de le apa ning share jen tang sara ka arui report miaure price pava pangran pava itumna khangai ronda mira hiba hiping hi Reverend Father Victor Parish Priest wena 10,000 ana donate chami ye Women's Society of Our Lady Holy Spirit Parish wena 10,000 donate chami ye itum we Holy Family Catholic Church ke waleli wena church na 50,000 donate chami ye Saint Joseph Catholic Church CI Kuna Wena 20,000 conference wang donate chami ye Saint Anthony Catholic Church CI Kulen Wena 10,000 donate chami ye Saint John Catholic Church Kam Som Pungter asinala 5,000 donate chami ye Aring athor itumi inaugural chief case Wena local host church sili 10,000 sangmi ye athang itumi Khongnai Baptist Church TNPC wenla 2,000 the sampang de lei pong chung khaina organization chung khan la pong ting de donate cha khami ji wang ning shai re itum na mi ka baya pangran ji ari hili pangsing ner sa le itumi ka cha tam li ra sa king rai sa le yo ning shai
Nishlagare LOC Bashili, Ara vote of thanks about TCSL letter middle.
Tum sai ko ri chingre hairono kasikra sikai re kha thasa la vote of thanks mak mim sak pai wa ina tam kshi ko khogoi kresada ji speaker Sami declared Reverend Sister Holy Rose MK Superior and Headmistress Holy Spirit Parish Longpili Ningshik Jung Midley Sister na aji avuping we 12th General Conference CUM 54th Annual Assembly hili mupung phamai khwaida itumli rangrum khamiubang gala program rajpui khamiubang sister leaning shikjung midleye isi executive shongaina na leaning shikjung midleye na we ot kasag chibari vibrawi kadangma khwai sokmiji tashung miruno gala aji kwerset khui midakle Sacred Heart Church Women's Society la leaning shikjung midleye gala chilang meda moderator aina recorder samidakle Rebecca aina hanalila ning shikjung midleye Kala aring yawe opening prayer sami the clave Saint Augustine Church lung harwi chairperson nalila ishi executive shongai na ning shik junga midale Kala aring ya itumli lumlagay na special number sami kahai Women's Society Holy Family Church Mawai nashi Women's Society lila ning shik junga midale kala kanawa sada closing prayer sami gida clave Clever Christ King, the church, Chingchurai Clan, with chairperson, Nalila Ningshik Jung Midley, Natum Saikorina, Chingray Nang Nachmiwa, Ningshirak Haide, Saikorili, Chingrik Hang Yang Sarano.
Ningshlagay Ray, TCSL le ara announcement ibang atami dalay. Malaya ka ari announcement na kalay dalay TC Kedikis katong kali TCSL we executive room chili latam khawai tang rok misir lo ta hang dele ara itum na program hi ngachang sang khawai mungchang chawrang naka akhamo we ngaran ye gishi ka hapan themi oge time 7:30 am main celebrant here Reverend Father Lido George yanam plus real moderator hi Rebecca Hungyon pamirira recorder hi Mrs. Tamar Shimra Pei choir seat he TANGKHUL Catechist Forum Nabamira, opening hymn, opening prayer he chairperson Good Shepherd TANGKHUL Hundung Kuno. Entrance hymn, first reading he chairperson Saint John Bosco Pushing Anabamira, responsoral acclamation gospel he Miss NCYL Humpung Nakwimira. Chile homily with Reverend Father Nasingamiora, presentation and vote of thanks TCSL Wenang Khangnasam Pangra, closing hymn, closing prayer, he chairperson Mary Help of Christian Church Ukrul. Yakama with at Bahwai, we angran yene, Araitum na Ngzang Sang Kawai, choir Bashina, theme song, his Samanga Yarik Dong na Kashin and Ningaminu. Closing prayer, he chairperson Christ the King Church, Chingchiroy Kulen.
chen sang khwai cycle and across we khotam hava kla naw merak lamon lak thomine hava vivra nalini shi nali masoj kat mitale he pro vivra itum cycle really ayawen hopolaga ija ramwena konre konra makang laka kipa khawitum lila kla kshi hapka khonom samphang salagla Saint Francis Xavier Catholic Church khomsong kholen apam khomsong khyang khong apam hili thanra khmi wiwan nalining shi nili muso chikat mitale langmaida avavivra ithum li nana atam hia kha amang kasat mi kahai kachang khat changkhuilaga nalini shi kachang khat kha avavivra apam hili thumna ragtip kahai hena ithum li khamsaya ina machhon sat mi marade ithumwe shiksang leya aya wen ha pholaga ari rashunda aching shun lompong ari rashunda nana jijat mi da ithum mui mirin li ithum mui manla rin li ngata da sakha mishung mai ra da nana apong aning jum khai nei thum li tan mi haira kha rakti bhaida khaleya tangkhu kyalli shinalon ithum psycho rali kachang khat sha khukhui mangai na mabaing sat milo ho uklung li ithum mui uklung hiwena akha khar khui laka athai mathai khui kishaba shina ababang sang sat milo chida chuwi bangla poli ning shila khaire arui ngjing wi service nana raw ho phomi da ngchen sang khmi wi ban kajang khat nali ning shi ngasam khukhui chimi sho ngchang mamanda ngasam khukhui atam khmi hiwi alungli are ithum na arui service hi kup kasang aina ija shui ija wing sampam li ungokai ababri bra nui mangla kathara ithum mi ababli jishun mita ithum li jinri brena aji chimi hi ngasam khukhui samphang sat milo kala taida khale program chili le ithum li mupum phamai da chat ba shep khwai chuwi bangla ithum li ngjon mi lu shit lo da chuwi bangla boye aba merik jingkhat ithum li ngjon mi lo da salam mariam lukum shine puting haibo prohanandaling so dale shino byung chaili klak ma haibo klanu ina pom gitra the jishu chila klak maina kathar mariam abu ari kale thum githya tamle amen thar mai kap ka jishu malong thum shamilo ava klano merak lamang la chomile amen.
Chithadkhaya ka akama special offering he host church vibang nemira chena delegates kadong kana yari kadong kana laulak ina chikat khawai hang chikundalai